Hi, welcome to Engagelo. In this video, we will go through to create the bot flow. Bot flow in the sense bot reply automatic response. See, here I have a sample automatic response here. So I'm just go through with this. So if any customer type hi, or if we are running an advertisement, if customer clicking on the advertisement, they should go to the automatic response. For that, I see initially the welcome message, organization name and the welcome message, then these are the choice. So whatever the customer is typing, either this clicking on this option, initially we need to collect the information from the customer. This is as per one customer flow only. So their choice is, if any customer is clicking any options, we have to collect the basic information, and after that these are the options. So this is a doctor placement where it is looking for India or outside India. So this is the flow. So what we are doing in this now, we will create the flow based on this document. For that, once you log into the dashboard, just click on the bot manager. Here you can see the bot reply. Here you have an option to click on create. Once you create that, it will open the next tab, and here you can see that start bot flow. Just double click on it. So here you can see the triggering words. Once we customer type any, we can give n number of keywords here. If customer type any of this keyword, that automatic flow will start. Here I am just typing on, okay, I have typed that, and here we can need to put one title for our understanding. Here you can see the two options, exact keyword match and string match. Always you have to put on string match. Exact in the sense, if customer type the exact word only, that flow will start. Here in the string match option, if customer in a sentence or in a word, if anywhere our keyword is coming, it will start the flow. And here we have put the title as well. And here you can see that add label in the sense, in the contacts. For example, you are running an ad. In the ad, by seeing the ad, customers are coming. Whoever coming, for example, for you are running an ad for 1 week, and you got the somewhere around 500 to 1000 leads customer inquired. For those customer, if you want to separate it, means here you can see the all inbox. Whatever the communication is coming, it will reflect here. And here you can see the subscriber manager. All the number you can display here. So here we can create a label. Once we create the label, so we can choose the label here. So after choosing the label, whatever the communication is happening, whatever the customer number, every number will save instead of in the common area, in the particular label only. So for this option is that. And here we have given the title. Here you have an option to click on the Google Sheet. So whatever the we will consider every customer in communication as leads only. So we can connect a Google Sheet here. Once we connect the Google Sheet, whatever the communication is happening from customer, everything will save it to the Google Sheet here. You have to set up the Google Sheet in the software. So once that set up the Google Sheet means, you can just click on the Google here, and you can choose the Google Sheet. Okay, and here you can see that send data to webhook URL. Webhook URL means, for example, you are using a CRM, we can connect this data to that CRM. So these kind of various options are there. So here I have given the keywords and string match, title. I am just clicking on save. Now the flow is there. After that, you can just hold on the mouse left click and just drag it here you can see the various options. Text in the sense we can whatever the information in the text we can give here, and we can add the images as well. Even we can add the video in the sense it will be 20 MB maximum size, and we can put the audios and even file any PDF or anything we can upload that. And interactive in the sense if we anywhere in the flow if any choice is coming means we can put the interactive. For example, here you can see that choice. So customer should get the choice doctor placement and talk to our support. In this scenario we have to put the interactive. And here you can see that CTA URL button means in the flow we can place a button. Once we click on the button, that if we want to our requirement is whoever clicks on the button we should get a call, means we can set it as it is. And if we want to get a website to bypass the website means those options we can click on it. If I just click on the CTA URL button, double click on that, here we have to put the message body. Here you can see the button text call now. Here we can enter the number like this, or else if you want to this one visit us means we can put the website URL here. Various options are there. So here we have started the flow. Here we are initially we need to send a welcome message. Just click on the text and I'm just copying this. So this is the welcome message. Now we need to put a choice here. In the choice we just hold the left click on the mouse, then leave it. Then here you have an option to click on interactive. Just click on the interactive, double click on the interactive. Here you have an option to please choose the below. Just type in the message body, just click on save. And here you have an option for button and list message. Button means we can create a maximum 3 buttons. So in this scenario here only 2 options are there, so we will create the button only. If it is more than 3 means 5 or 6 means we have to, instead of button we need to choose the list message. So here I am just choosing the button. I have created the button. I am just double click on it. Here I am just in the button title we have to put the name. And here you can see that when user click on the button, what is the response we have to give it to the user. Various options are there. Here send a message in the sense what the next message we have to send. Start a flow. For example, you are putting here in the advertisement 2 options you are giving, sales and support. In sales and support we can create a separate flow. So if customer is clicking on the sales, they should get a different flow. If customer is clicking support, they should get a different flow. So here if I am clicking on the start a flow means, see here you can see that various flows are there. I can just click any flow, and I can save it. So here we are putting the here we need to put the messages only. So click on the doctor placement and send a message. I'm just saving all that. And here we have to put one more button. Here we can just talk to support team. In the button text we have a limitations. So how it should reflect in the mobile, like that it is designed. If it is a very big button means it will not display in that. If I click on save, you can see that a button text should be not exceeded 20 character. So here we can put the talk to our support. So it is done. So now in the flow, here you can see that if customer click any of this option, we have to ask the basic things: name, education qualification, and medical specialty. Here for asking the questions we have to click on next, and here you have an option to click on user input flow. Just click on that and here double click on it. Here add a new flow. This is data collection only. So here you can see that two options, send it to Google Sheet and send it to webhook URL. I have already explained this. I'm just clicking on save. Here you can see that a new question has come. I'm just double click on it. Here we have a various option. I'm just clicking on the various option in the sense, for example, you can just ask a name. For example, you are asking location. Like that you can just select, please choose the location. Here we can option India, Canada, like that we can give the choice. Here as it is only one option, I am just giving full name. I am just clicking on that. Okay, and here the next question is double click highest qualification. Done. And one more question is medical specialty. Now, so we have given the all the list. Here you can see that the thank you message. Just click on the text. Thank you message should be text only. Thank you for providing the information. Just click on save. So in the doctor placement we have given this. Here also we need to give this. So instead of creating again one by one, we can just click on right click. Here we have an option delete and clone. I am just clicking on clone. Clone means it will come a duplicate. So here see, we have to connect this. Once you create everything, here you have an option to click on save. So the save, whatever the till whatever we did, it will get saved. And now we can go to another option. See here again choice has come, doctor placement. Please choose the location. Just copying this. Here again we have to click on the user input flow. Sorry, here we have to click on interactive only because this is a selective. Just click on double click on the interactive. Just in the message body give the message to the customer, and after that here we can create two buttons. Double click on the button, just click on India, send message, and here as we already see that here also we have an option to click on clone, body list. How to connect this flow. Okay, and now here you can see that 4 options are coming. Okay, see, first as per customer requirement, first what is the this one, what is the choice, what is the country you are looking for, and what are the area you are looking for. Here we can see that 4 options are there. As I said already, in the choice, again we have to create a interactive here. Once you click on the interactive, if it is button means only 3 options, 3 buttons will come, and if it is a list message means 10 list message we can display to the customer. So in this scenario we have to choose the list messages only. Now I am just clicking on list messages. See here we have to double click on the interactive, the messages here in the list message. choose from here, view list. Now here we can have to put as the similar button only, medical college, hospital, clinic, any suitable opportunity. See here only by default 3 will come. If you want to add the row again, here right click on it, click on clone, double click, just type this, save. Again we have to connect the here. Once you go, see here you can see the mouse arrow only. Once you go there you can see the hand part. Once you saw that hand part, we can just drag it to here, connect. So it has connected. I am just clicking on save, means it will not get saved. Why? Because here we have created 2 buttons. Once you create the button, now here you should put a next message, either text or whatever it is, otherwise it will not allow us to save. See here we can see that 4 options. So once we create the 4 options, here we can, I'm just putting a text here. Here we can put that, thank you for providing the details, our team will connect you soon. Just saving on it. We have to put this all the message. For this, just click on clone, here also clone, just connect this. Okay, now this part is over. Like this we have to create the similar way here also. I am not doing that for the to avoid the length of the video. I am just creating a text only here. You can just click on the text. And save. So this is how you have to prepare a flow. Okay, so thank you for watching the video.